Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather across the Arklatex as we take you through the rest of this week, Easter weekend, and all of next week. And today you can see that mixture of sunshine and some high clouds that we're experiencing. Temperatures mainly in the upper 50s to low to middle 60s, and we'll probably end up in the low to middle 60s over most of the area before it's all said and done here during the rest of this Wednesday. What we're watching is a broad upper level area of low pressure, which is off to the west of the Arklatex. This trough right here is going to increase the clouds. It does look like most of the rain associated with this is going to fall apart before moving into the Arklatex, but if we see some rain, likely will be across the southern sections of the area. Behind this disturbance, we will see a broad upper level ridge, which is going to warm us up dramatically as we head into Easter weekend. So let's take you through the next few days here with Robin's Toyota Futurecast, and you can see the clouds during the evening hours. Notice the area of rain to our west, how it kind of dissipates as it tries to make its way into the southwest edge of the area. So it looks like we likely will stay dry tonight as the clouds will decrease. We will become mostly clear and it will be chilly again. Tomorrow expect lots of sunshine as we ramp up the warmer temperatures as we'll be back to normal. Highs in the low to middle 70s over most of the area tomorrow. Looking at a mostly clear sky tomorrow night. And Friday, once again, probably we'll see a few clouds mixing in with the sunshine. It will be rather windy Friday, and that should warm us up into the upper 70s to low 80s for daytime highs to close out the work week. And we'll start to see a few more clouds in the mix as we head into Saturday and a lot more cloud cover on Sunday. Here's a look at how the next 10 days will play out. You can see the ridge, which is going to move over us during the next few days. It'll strengthen heading through the weekend. That's going to allow temperatures to warm into the low 80s, maybe a few middle 80s. Notice the big upper level trough here across the western sections of the country. That's going to move to the east and give us a chance for some showers and maybe a few thunderstorms Monday night into Tuesday morning. Not too concerned about severe weather at this point. I'll show you why and tell you why here in a second. This disturbance will push on through. A piece of this energy is going to lag behind. It does look like it's going to move too far to the south to bring us some rain as we go into the last half of the work week. And then we'll have to keep an eye on this disturbance here across the northern Rockies. This is what's going to rotate around and potentially bring us some more rain later next weekend. It's possible we could see some lingering clouds for the eclipse that following Monday. Rainfall potential, look at the 10-day total from the blend of models showing you relatively light amounts with totals less than a half an inch all across the area, closer to a half an inch north. Very little rain at all over the southern sections of the area the way it looks right now. And as far as severe weather, again, we'll have to keep an eye on Monday night into Tuesday morning. Timing is going to be on our side. That's one thing that's going to limit that risk. And you can see the fuel also somewhat limited. And we'll also have to keep an eye on that second disturbance late next weekend for the possibility for a few storms. So your forecast for the eclipse looks like this. We likely will see temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s early in the afternoon at peak eclipse time. The trend in the models compared to yesterday is a little bit more positive. Looks like partly to mostly cloudy sky. We likely will see some clouds. The big question is how much. So expect some clouds. The occasional break in the clouds will allow for some eclipse viewing the way it looks right now. Keep in mind we still have that disturbance we're going to have to keep an eye on. Meantime, your forecast for tonight is looking eventually mostly clear. Temperatures will stay rather chilly as we'll dip back into the 30s over the northern half of the area. You can see the 38 degrees in Texarkana, right around 43 for the nighttime low tonight in Shreveport. Tomorrow I expect to see lots of sunshine. We start to warm up with most of the Arklatex seeing highs in the low to middle 70s, 75 in Manny, 73 in Shreveport, 70 degrees for the high temperature in Texarkana. And your 10-day forecast shows low 80s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, middle 80s Monday. And notice quite a bit of wind here from Friday through Tuesday. And we'll see the wind shift behind that frontal system on Tuesday with, again, a lingering shower or thunderstorm possible mainly Tuesday morning. We'll be dry for many days next week and then see, again, another warm-up and maybe a little bit of rain as we go into next weekend. So all in all, it does look like we are going to be looking at temperatures across the Arklatex that will be warming up heading into Easter Sunday as it looks dry for Easter as the rain likely holds off until Monday night into Tuesday morning.